What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So one of my highly requested videos is that can I put the Google Camera app on the LG G6? Now, of course, we can find this device for under $200, but a lot of people that saw my last video asked me, can I put the Google Pixel app, the camera app, on the LG G6? Of course I can. Now, one of the things that I like about the LG G6 is that it's cheap, it looks good, it feels good, and it also runs good. Now, a lot of people were saying that the LG G6s that they had it in the past was lagging out on them. And I can tell you, with all the software updates, I don't have any problems with speed with the LG G6. As you can see, boom, my LG G6 must have been made on a Monday because it runs like new money. All right, but let's get into it. I got the Google Camera app on this device, and this is the Google Pixel 3. All right, so I want to show you guys real quick on the camera app. As we can see, let's go into the settings. All right, so when you go into the settings app on both devices, as you can see, it's the same settings app as far as the Google Pixel 3. But when you download the app here on the LG G6, you have to download two apps. You have what's called a wide angle lens, all right, and you have to download the regular camera lens. I'm not sure why, but it's separated in two apps. So again, you have the wide angle, and then you have the regular camera. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you guys wide angle lens and regular lens compared to the regular stock camera app here on the LG G6. And I'm also going to do video with both camera apps, and I'm going to do daytime and nighttime. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. This is the stock camera app of the LG G6 here, and I'm shooting this at night. A lot of people request some nighttime footage, so here it is. So let's walk. We got optical image stabilization on this device. As you can see, I'm walking and turning the camera. The LG G6 camera at auto mode, and this is a sample of the stock camera app on the LG G6. So let me walk here, and you be the judge for yourself to the quality of both of the clips that I'm going to show you. So there it is. That is the LG G6 auto mode at night with the stock camera app. So let's go and check out the Google Camera app on the LG G6. All right, so this is the Google Camera app on the LG G6. And as you can see, you be the judge for yourself when looking at both of these clips that I'm showing you guys. So as I walk, turn here, and again, you be the judge for yourself. I'm shooting this at all nighttime out here, cold in the parking lot. But I like doing this late at night here. And let me walk again. And again, you be the judge for yourself as far as the audio and video of the Google Camera app versus the LG G6 stock app. So there it is.